I lost 3 lakhs in just 6 months thinking I was smart. But that's nothing compared to the mistake that cut my future wealth in half. And here's the scary part. The same mistake could be stealing crores from your future self right now. Nearly 30% of the Gen Zs are already investing compared to just 5% of our parents' generation. But research shows 9 out of 10 young investors repeat the same 7 deadly mistakes. I made all of them. The last one actually could cost you 45 lakhs. Fix just one and you could at least add 50 lakhs or more to your retirement fund. Let's look at an example. Two friends, both 25, earning 50,000 per month. Friend A makes all of these mistakes and friend B avoids them. By the age of 45, friend A has maybe 20 lakhs in his bank account and friend B over 2 crores. Same income, same time, completely different lives. The difference? Friend B avoided the traps I'm about to show you. By the way, I'm Nikhil. I'm a chartered accountant by profession with nearly 20 years of experience at EY, PwC and one of India's top wealth management firm before I started my own startup. And this is Finicky, where I simplify money the same way I practice it. So let's get into all the mistakes that we make. Mistake number 1, chasing shiny objects. Your WhatsApp group is buzzing. Twitter says 10x stock in just 2 years. I fell for this too. Bought a small cap, down 40% in months. It felt like showing up to a party as the cops shut it down. Research shows that 53% of millennials buy stocks because they are trending online. But by the time it reaches you, the smart money already exited and long gone. Always build your portfolio like a cricket team. Steady openers like large caps or blue chips, reliable all-rounders like mid caps, and just 1 or 2 power hitters like small caps. I know you'll have temptations, but never ever bet more than 5% of your portfolio on any hot tip, if at all. It should only be that much that it won't hurt you if it becomes zero in value. Mistake number 2, putting all eggs in 1 to 2 companies or stocks. I once put a large portion of my money in just 2 sure shot stocks. Both tanked. One of this was Kingfisher Airlines. No analysis, purely on the fact that Mr. Malia will revive it. Actually, on hindsight, that was not investment, but essentially gambling. Playing blind with an expectation to make a windfall profit. Research shows 22% of young adults face major financial stress from concentration risk, betting too big on few assets. Remember, always spread your bets, at least 4 to 5 strong companies at the minimum, or let mutual funds or ETFs diversify this for you. If this is saving you some expensive mistake, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me know that you are enjoying this kind of video and keeps me motivated to share more practical hacks. Mistake number 3, playing fortune teller. I thought I could wait for the dip. So I kept cash sitting idle for 8 months while the market went up 30%. It felt like standing on the platform as the train pulled away. Behavioral economics calls this the illusion of control. Even billionaire fund managers can't time market consistently, and we expect to do so. Simple fix is SIPs. Put the same amount every month. Sometimes you buy high, sometimes low, but over time, the average works out for you. It's boring, but boring makes you rich. Of course, if you buy additionally during dips, you make even more gains, but waiting to time the bottom will always be a waiting game. Mistake number 4, living without a safety net or emergency fund. A sudden medical bill will force you to sell mutual funds in a market crash. You will lose money and also miss the recovery. 34% of Gen Zs have zero emergency savings, one crisis, and they are forced into high interest debt. Always keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in liquid funds or savings, automated like a monthly bill. Boring, yes, but life-saving. Mistake number 5, overtrading. I thought frequent trades equals faster profits. Bought Monday and sold Friday, even intraday trading if you feel more adventurous. But brokerage fees and bad timing will eat away everything, including capital. Forget your profits. Data shows that overtrading reduces long-term returns by 30 to 50% once fees and taxes are included. Patience is key. Warren Buffett built wealth holding companies for decades, not weeks. The less you touch, the more compounding works for you. Mistake number 6, trusting random tips. Your neighbor said this stock will fly. WhatsApp forwards promise 50% gains. Spoiler alert, none of this will work out. Research says 16% of 18 to 25-year-olds nearly have debt in collections, often because of impulsive, uninformed decisions. Do not invest without proper research. Important to understand the fundamentals, track records, etc. of the stock and see if it actually fits your goals. If it doesn't pass the test, skip it. You don't have to FOMO into everything that comes your way. Mistake number 7, chasing returns, ignoring the risk. When I started investing, all I cared about was returns. 40% growth last year, I'm absolutely in. But the same stocks crashed the hardest and I lost my peace of mind checking the prices every single hour. Again, research shows young investors overestimate returns and underestimate risk, leading to stress and poor outcomes. Always balance risk and reward. Mix equities with safer asset classes like bonds, golds or index funds. When equities fell 20% during one of the crash, my gold ETF rose 15%, cushioning the blow. For those who have watched thus far, here is a bonus mistake. Lifestyle inflation and FOMO. You get your first salary hike and instantly upgrade your iPhone, Netflix or vacation plans. Feels good, but your bank account doesn't. Study shows 82% of 19 to 25-year-olds actually spend almost everything they earn and 53% admit social media drives their purchases. That's lifestyle inflation at work. To overcome this, follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants and 20% for savings, or try zero-based budgeting and fight FOMO by adding a 24-hour rule before every non-essential purchases. This one actually hurts the most. If you keep waiting for that perfect time, that time never comes. Here's the math. Start at 25 and invest 10,000 per month for 20 years at 12% return, you'll have 1 crore. But start at 30, the same 10,000 per month for 15 years will give you 55 lakhs. That's 45 lakhs lost. It's like planting a mango tree. The earlier you plant, the more fruit you enjoy year after year. But if you keep waiting for that perfect season, you'll never taste that mango at all. So start now. Even 2,000 per month is absolutely fine because in investing, time in the market beats timing the market every single time. But that doesn't mean you only focus on investing. Your first investment should be towards building your skills because that will grow your income substantially. You should look at investing in market only once you are done investing in your personal development. Because compounding, while works with time, has huge impact on investment quantum itself. If you can grow your salary from 25,000 a month to a lakh a month in 2 to 3 years by investing in yourself, that additional investment will far outperform the 2 to 3 years you lost in investment. That's it. Here's how I invest after all these painful lessons. 70% in equities across large, mid and small cap. 15% across gold, fixed incomes and Bitcoin, and another 15% towards international funds for global diversification. So here's my point. Don't chase hype. Don't overload on 1 to 2 bets. Don't time the market. Build a safety net. Trade less. Research more. Balance risk. Avoid lifestyle inflation, and above all, start now. Remember, research shows mistakes in your 20s don't just hurt you, they echo across 3 generations. Your financial habits today shape your family's wealth for decades. If this saved you from one mistake, smash the like button and subscribe. Comment below which of these mistakes are you guilty of. That's it from me. I'm Nikhil Verghese. Share this video and subscribe to learn how to make your finances less tricky with Finicky.